Welcome, in front of me is a HUAWEI P40 and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on the device. So to begin, open up the content that you wish to capture, which for me I'm just going to use the home screen. And from there, all you need to do is hold power key and volume down. Gives you that animation. Now you have swipe up to share, swipe down for a scrollable screenshot, which won't work here. And swipe to the side to just get rid of it. So this is just a normal screenshot. Now for the scrollable one, I will have to actually what is this? Browser requires, I think I'm not connected to network, so let's go in here. So let's go back to the browser. Oh my god. Why is this browser so annoying? You know what? Screw this browser. Anything else that is actually scrollable here? I know what is. There we go. So if I go into contacts, so here if I go into contacts, let's just try that again. And now if I swipe down, allow, and you can tap at any point to stop the scrolling, like so, and there we go. So you can now view the scrollable screenshot. And once you're satisfied with it, just tap on the save button right here. And now the image can be found in your photo gallery. So let's go into here, all photos, and there we go. So you can see that this is the entire image. You can zoom into it, scroll through it, and that's it. Now also you can find the screenshot that I have captured as the first one right here as well. So that is basically how you would capture a screenshot. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.